Are you tired of taking manual notes during Zoom calls while Otter.ai sits unused because you can't figure out how to connect them? Connect Zoom to Otter in under 4 minutes. First, we'll open Otter's integration page, then link your Zoom account through a simple sign-in, and finally approve the permissions so everything syncs automatically. All right, let's start at the Otter.ai homepage to get going. Then, on the left side panel, click on Integrations to bring up the available integrations. Once you're on the Integrations page, go ahead and locate the Zoom app in the list. When you find it, simply click the Connect button to move forward. Next, you'll be taken to Zoom's sign-in page, so enter your email address in the field. Then enter your password in the next field. After that, click the Sign In button to log into your Zoom account. Now, click on Allow this app to use my shared access permissions to continue the connection. Then hit the Allow button to grant the necessary permissions. And that's it. Zoom is now connected on Otter.ai. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.